Hi children, today we are going to write predecessor and successor numbers. Okay, predecessor is nothing but before numbers and successor is nothing but after numbers. Already we have learnt in previous classes, right? But in this class we are going to write for large numbers. Okay, suppose see here we can write successor of 2 is what? Yes, 3. Okay, successor of 56. Tell me. Yes, 57. Okay. Next, successor of 101. Yes, 102. Okay. Suppose I am writing 5265. What is the successor of 5265? Tell me. Yes, 5266. Right? 5266. Okay, 5266. Next tell me 9876. This is what? 9876, right? So what is the successor of this number? Tell me. 987 and 7. Yes, 9877 is the successor of 9876. Okay, if it comes large numbers, how to do? If we add 1 to the given number, we will get successor of that number. See here, what is the number here? 5265, right? If we add 1 to the given number, we will get after numbers, that is successor numbers will comes. Okay, see here 5 plus 1 how much? 6, and this number comes as it is 6, 2, 5. Here no numbers are there to add, so these numbers comes as it is. Okay, these digits comes as it is, right? 5266. 5266. Now check 9876. Add 1 to this number. 9876. Okay, 6 plus 1 how much? Yes, 7. And remaining these digits comes as it is 7, 8, 9. 9877. Is it right? If we add 1 to the given number, we will get successor of that numbers. Okay, and see this. These are what? Successor numbers. Okay. Next see here predecessor. Predecessor is nothing but before numbers. A number that comes just before, then it's called predecessor of that number. Okay, see here before 2. We can say easily before 2 is what? Yes, 1. Right? Predecessor of 2 is 1. And predecessor of 10. Yes, predecessor of 10 is what? Yes, 9. 9 after only 10 comes. So we can write 9. Right? Next to predecessor of 529. Tell me. Yes, 528. Right? Now tell me predecessor of 1264. Tell me 1263. Before 4, which number comes? 3. Right? 1263. Okay, that is 1263. In these predecessor numbers, if we subtract 1, we will get predecessor of the given number. Okay, in successor what we have done? We have added one number to given number. In predecessor, subtract 1 from given number. See here, what is the given number here? 2, right? The given number is 2. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give what? 1. So what is the predecessor of 2? 1. Is it right? Next see predecessor of 529. Predecessor of 529 is what? Subtract 1 from given number. Here given number is what? 529. Right? See, I am subtracting 1 from 529. 9 minus 1 how much? Tell me. Yes, 9 minus 1 gives 8. Right? So these numbers comes as it is. Right? Here no numbers are there to subtract. So 528. See here 528. Next 1264. 1264 minus 1. Okay, see here 4 minus 1 gives what? 3. Right? Here no digits are there to subtract this number. Okay, so write down as it is 621. 1263. Check. 1263. Yes, if we subtract 1, we are getting predecessor of the given numbers, right? If we add 1, we'll get successor of numbers. Okay, we'll write some more successor and predecessor numbers now. Okay, now see here, write the successor of the following numbers. Successor of the following numbers. See here, what is the first one? 83,125. This is 1 superior and this is 1000 superior, right? So 83,125. Tell me children, what is the successor of this number? Tell me. Yes, 83,000. Okay, 83,126. Right? See the last digit. Okay, 6. 5 after 6, no? So the successor of 83,125 is 83,126. If you have any doubt, please add 1 to the given number, then we'll get successor numbers. Okay, next see 48,061. 48,061. Tell me. Yes, 48,062. Very good. Next see here 19,000. 19,000. We can write 1 before what? 0. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? See here. So 0 after which number comes? 1. So we can write 19,001. Okay? Always see the last digit. Okay? Now see here 97 lakhs 89,329. Same, write down as it is. 97 lakh 89,329. If you see here last digit 9, okay, then check the last 2 digits. Okay, 29. 29 after which number comes? Yes, 30. So 330. Okay, is it clear? If you see in the last digit 9, then you have to check last 2 digits. Okay, whatever the number after number comes, write that. Okay, next is here 6,67,300. 6,67,300. 0 here 0, so 0 after 1. Right, so the successor of 6,67,300 is 6,67,301. Okay, now see here 1,30,509. 1,30,509. 9 after which number comes? Tell me. Yes, 10. 9 after 10 comes. See here 2 digits. 0, 9. 9 after which number comes? 10. Right? So we can write 10. Okay. Next see 5,47,480. 80 means what? 81. So 5,47,481. Right? Next 83,619. See here 9 comes. So check the last 2 digits. 19. What are the last 2 digits? 19. 19 after? Yes, 20. 83,620. Or else you can add 1 to the given number. Then we will get successor numbers very easily. Okay? I explained before only. So if you add 1, we will get successor of the given numbers. Okay? Now we will write predecessor numbers. Okay? Now predecessor numbers. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. Okay, see here 41 41,000. 41,000. Predecessor of 41,000 is what? We don't know exactly, right? So what we have to do? Just subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, what is the given number? 41,000, right? 41,000. So subtract 1 from given number. Here 0 minus 1 is not possible. So take the borrows from before number. See here, I am taking borrow. Okay. So here 9 comes, here also 9 comes, here 0 comes. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 here, here also 9, 0 and this 4 comes as it is. So 40,999. What is the predecessor of 41,000? 40,999. Okay. Next, predecessor of 39,300. 39,300. 300. So subtract 1 from total given number. Okay. So after which number 300 comes while writing numbers? Tell me. Yes, 299 after 300 comes. So here we can write 299. Okay. If you have doubt, please. If you have doubt, just subtract the 1 from given number. Okay, 0 minus 1 is not possible. So take the bars from here. Okay, so we'll get 10 minus 1 9. Here also 9. 2 9 3. 39,299. Is it clear? Okay. Now see 75,219. It is very easy. 75,219. 75,218. Before 19, which number comes? 18. Okay. Next see 2,86,231. Yes, before 1, which number comes? 0. So 2,86,230. Very good. 2,86,230. Okay, or is 31 before 30 comes. Okay. Next see 4,93,020. After which number 20 comes? 19 after 20 comes. So predecessor of the given number is 4,93,019. Okay. See here last 2 digits before 20, 19 comes. So we can write 4,93,019. Okay. Next to 58,67,500. After which number 500 comes while writing numbers? Tell me. Yes, 499 after 500 comes. So we can write here 499. For 58 lakhs 67,499. Next 19,400. 19,400. 19,000. Here 400. 400 means what? Tell me. After which number 400 comes? Yes, 399 after 400 comes. Next 85,006. What is the predecessor of 85,006? 85,000 before 6. Tell me. Yes, 5. So predecessor of 85,006 is 85,005. These are the predecessor of given numbers. Okay. If you have any doubt, subtract 1 from the given number. We'll get predecessor numbers. Okay. Hope you understand this class, children. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe.